Hey guys, welcome to Maddie's off-trail adventures, and last week we promised that we would find you a cave to go exploring, but we haven't found a cave yet. But what is the next best thing to a cave?
A waterfall.
A waterfall, and we have found a waterfall.
Yes, we have. So today we are once again out in Central Vic, and we've got a nice waterfall that due to the weather, it's been a little bit rainy around here. It sounds like it's flowing. There's a fair few people about.
Sorry, I was listening.
Oh,
I was listening for the waterfall.
I thought you were trying to see your hair in the...
No.
It sounds like it's flowing, so hopefully it should be a better adventure than what we had last week.
Yeah, if this waterfall is just water dripping slowly off a tiny rock, I think you're just gonna have to quit. I don't know.
Yeah. Well,
You've shit out of luck.
I looked at this one on Google, so this one should be. It looked pretty good. So
yeah. And
fingers crossed.
It is way colder than it was
yeah,
the other day.
Much colder. All right, let's go for a bit of a stroll. Alright, so we've hit another dead end. We've come all the way out here, and it turns out the base of the waterfall is actually closed. You guys won't be able to see it, but it's really muddy here.
Extremely.
Extremely. So
this is it.
we've made it this far.
Fair effort.
Quite nice. There are other people walking down towards it.
We just don't want to risk it because we've got camera and tripod and everything.
More expensive stuff. So we'll definitely have to come back here because there are some, there's a creek down below that will show. Can we cut to that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah?
I'll try and cut this.
So there's a creek down below that we could possibly come back to and walk along. It seems like it goes for a fair while from what we can judge from here. There's one other spot that I do know
Nearby.
We're going to drive to that and see if we can find something there.
Yeah.
So
unlucky, but it's still good. It's still good, nice.
I think. Yeah. We wanted to do a bit of a walk, but we got to see the scenic part anyway. Alright, so we are now heading to another site that I know from when I was a kid. It's called the Blowhole, and it's basically a hole in a rock wall where on one side it's got a pool of water, and the pool of water, when it's been raining, shoots out of the wall, the hole in the wall. Yeah. If that makes any sense. So that's a little bit better on your feet, like under your feet. It's not as muddy as where we just were. So hopefully we can get in, have a bit of a walk around. I know there's a bit of a creek system near it, so we can have a bit of a walk of that. And
sorry, I'm struggling with the camera.
Oh, okay. And see how that goes. I hope it's going to be better than our last two attempts anyway.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you guys there.
Alright, Matt. What's bad news?
So we just got here, and there is construction happening at the site that we thought we were going to get to. Like, I don't even know anymore. So we got one more option, and if this doesn't work out, I'm literally quitting. Like, this is going to be the last video.
I'm already quitting. Can you take this? I'm not actually quitting. I just don't want to carry the camera anymore, to be honest.
Oh man, I don't know whether you guys can see it.
I'll point.
How do you zoom?
You just grab the lens and spin it. Do you understand?
Oh yeah, I got it. So I don't know whether you guys can see, but there's like trucks down there and stuff.
Am I pointing accurately?
Yeah, probably, but you can like kind of just see it. But well, anyway, there's there's the construction signs right there saying not to. Do not enter.
Not to.
Yeah. So
you know one other place.
yeah,
How far away?
from here like 5 minutes.
Okay. Let's go. Alright, Maddie. Third time's the charm, eh?
Yeah, and guess what?
What?
This one's actually open. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
No, this one's good. So this one we can walk down. It's a little bit of a
Am
walk.
I showing them?
Yeah, you can show them. You can see a little bit from here.
Oh, this is shit on the camera.
Does it?
Can't really see. It looks kind of cool.
Not that one, that one.
What? Right behind the trees.
Yeah.
You get the camera and do it then.
No, that's why I said you can't see it from the camera. It's, that's... There we go. No.
Wow, that's so much better than mine. Oh shit, holy crap, he's the cinematographer, ladies and gentlemen. I'm kidding.
So as you can see, this area is a little bit better. It's open because it's a little bit better. They've actually got structures around the place, like these stairs, and there's a little bit of walkways down the bottom there as well. Which stairs and walkways is the same thing. Oh, I don't know what I was saying. So anyway, there's the no. There is the waterfall.
Oh, that's cool. Can we get it right down there?
Yeah, pretty much. Well, not pretty much, we can. So there's the platform, I don't know why I'm showing you on the camera, down there.
Odds on you sitting behind, point the camera. Odds on you sitting behind that waterfall there. Out of 10. You know how to play this game?
Yeah, I do. Do I want to play it though?
Yep.
Explain the game to me. I know I'm supposed to say a number, and then if you say the same, you have to say a number at the same time.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah. What's the number out of? 10?
Yeah, 10.
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
20.
6.
Yeah, let's try that again.
That's cheating.
Let's try that again.
3, 2, 1, 4. Alright, let's go. This is what we live for, Maddie.
Doing camera things. No, I'm not. There we go.
Nice.
I'm a genius. Probably not going to be. Probably won't need much longer ago. As I pass it.
Won't need as what? What did you say? Huh. Can you get up here? See, this was much better than going to find a cave.
Yeah, that's true.
Caves are fucking weird, man. This looks cool, and it makes for a good video, which is what we're doing. Are you doing? Okay.
I'll get to it. How do you feel about me sitting in front of that mossy rock?
That one there. Or that one. Yeah, man.
Yeah? Alright.
If you can. How far am I following you?
As far as you want.
Okay. I'm confident in my abilities.
Wait till we'll let the people take the photo as well.
Yeah.
That's very slippery.
I almost stood straight in that puddle.
Go that way.
We had an accident. I think the worst part was the fact I smacked my shin on the rock. Oh, you're...
What?
You're ballsy.
Do you want to stay there?
Huh. That'll do. Am I taking a photo? No, you're taking a selfie. Let me get a cool shot where it's like from below. Oh yeah, go forward.
Not bad?
Huh?
Not bad?
Not bad. Alrighty. Risky business. Not you too.
No.
Oh, I wasn't filming any of that. Matt, I wasn't filming any of that.
Are you serious?
I'm just kidding. It's because I didn't want to stand on this rock. I thought this rock was gonna slip, like
Stood next to it.
like this ledge. So I stood here and just slid. But I think I'd prefer my foot to slide than the rock. Wood is a bad idea.
Yeah, wood. Just the moss on the wood.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, that is the worst.
You can see like the shininess. It's ridiculous. What's even worse is after that, once you do that, your foot becomes slippery as well, because the moss on the bottom of your shoe.
Yeah. Maybe we should do like tips and stuff. Because I feel like that's a pretty good tip.
Like don't step on logs because of the moss.
Yeah, maybe we could do that at like the end,
Yeah.
end of the video. Say what tips we figured out.
Sorry guys.
No, you're alright.
I wouldn't recommend falling in.
It is freezing.
Oh.
Alright, a little bit of a walk.
Yeah. I think that was worth it.
Cross country?
Ready? What took you so long? Oh. Step. I don't
Really?
get it. I don't get why people do face shit like that. Do you reckon I can walk across
Oh man.
that one?
What were we just saying about logs being slippery?
That one is like death if I fall down though.
See there, drop. That's a pretty deep drop, I think.
This is nice. Set up a house over here.
You could do that one.
Oh, that one.
The wooden structure in front of you.
Crushed it.
Wait. I'm really terrible at this. I didn't even catch you in the frame at all.
So you get all the airtime because I'm a better videoer than you.
Oh, I'm trying.
I mean, if I'm going to be a part of your channel, I kind of want to be a part of your channel, you know?
Well, that's why I'm holding it now.
Maybe I could do the tips. Nah, I think share them out. Because that'll be my channel.
Well, you're going to create your own channel now.
No. Too much commitment. Rather just tag along with you.
Sniff a jar.
Yes.
I'm getting a little bit sniffy too, boy.
Oh, it's not as bad as the last video I have. Last video was really bad. Because you maybe on the camera the whole time, or you can hear.
Yeah, I think we're going to get over this one anyway. Try and keep up.
Fine, no one's gonna watch videos anyway. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Gosh.
Have a little bit more faith, brother. A little bit more faith.
I mean, I hope you can hit, you know, your goals and stuff, but I'm not sure.
Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys have liked this one, although apparently they're pretty boring. Next week we'll actually do something that's a little bit more exploratory and maybe a little bit more exciting, like waterfalls. So yeah, see ya.
Were we gonna do the tips thing?